Hello guys, in this tutorial I will tell you how to remove an object from an image in Photoshop. There are many ways you can do this and I'm showing you some of them. To make a new layer, just press Ctrl J. It will create a new duplicate layer. Then press J to bring up the patch tool. You can also go here, patch tool. Select the object you want to remove. Once you have made the selection, move it to the place that the object cannot be seen. Press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. As you can see, it has removed the object, as in this case the Spider-Man, from the image. This may work in very plain images where it is not much complex, but it won't work in very complex images as it can blur up the patterns. Let's undo it and I will tell you another way to do it. Go to lasso tool, select the object you want to remove. Now press Shift 5 or go to edit and fill. Select for content aware. Click OK. Photoshop will remove the object from the image by using its own computer applications. Press Ctrl D to see the image. As you can see, there is no object around here, and this is another possible way. Another way is by using stamp. Go to Clone Stamp tool or just press S to bring it up. Press Alt to see the point of location you want to copy. Press OK. Now you may choose the brush size and just use it like a brush. So what is basically it is doing that if you see the cross here, it is just copying it to the where I'm putting the cursor on. So it just copies the image. So if I also do here, just let me do it here, and if I choose the source point here and then draw here, so it will just copy that and paste it here, draws like it. This is the same image but here. You may use it in very complex images too, but you will have to use your own brain to do this application. Another way is, let me just show you here. Go to patch tool, select for more, and then select healing brush tool. It is very similar to the clone tool, just it uses some other applications like computer calculation of Photoshop to remove the object. Press Alt to choose the source point and click it like I've selected here, and then select the image, just draw on it. It works too. If I was to recommend you which way, I will suggest you the content filling tool. It is the best one out there and it removes your object much faster, and you don't have to just put in your brain into like brainstorming that how I'm going to remove it or where I'm going to copy it. And as you can see, it has removed it. See you to watch Pixelperfect video and other YouTubers too. I will link them in my description below, the best one out there, so you can check out their videos too and see if they give a better explanation about this. I am sure they will, because I'm just a starting YouTuber. So thank you very much for watching my video and stay tuned for more.